Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so happy you're here. We're going to be opening my Fab Fit Fun winter box today. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks that just like to hang out in the room with me, but this is pretty much all you're going to get. This is Wyatt, that's Zena, and we sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Fab Fit Fun is a lifestyle subscription. I find it to be super fun. It is now $59.99 a season, and you usually get up to about $300 or more worth of product based on what you choose, because you do get to customize your boxes, and you usually get a lot of choices. And then you can also do add-ons. So let's say you have 5 choices within that part of your selection, because you get several, like about 4 or 5 different selections to make, and there's usually about 5 or more items to pick in each of those selections, and you can't pick just one. You can add, and it's never the retail price of the item, so you can add a lot of extra pieces into your boxes if you choose. So it's a lot of fun. $59.99 a season, as I mentioned, and you usually get 6 to 8 full-size products each season. It is based on your profile, so you do fill out a profile. So there is everything from beauty products to home goods to seasonal items. So many goodies inside one box. All right, I will put my link down below. If you use my link, you should get $10 off your first collection. All right, let's dig in. I love my Fab Fit Fun boxes. This is the winter box, as I mentioned, and they do come seasonally, so 4 times a year. And you can choose to sign up for the entire year at once. If you do that, then you get to be one of the very first to choose your customizations, which is a good thing because stuff sells out fast. All right, here's what I see when I open my box. So many brands that they have. This is, as I mentioned, the Winter 2023 collection. All right, let's do this. I got lots of goodies in here, and I think I couldn't part with, I couldn't make some selections, so we're gonna just go with it. This first up is the Grand Lash MD. I love this. If you have not tried it, it's amazing. I use it today. When I saw it in the box and at a discount, I had to grab it. And it says it promotes the appearance of longer, fuller, and healthier lashes through its safe and effective proprietary formula filled with amino acids, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. This ophthalmological tested serum is so easy to use that just one daily swipe is all you need. And that's true. The key ingredients is isopropyl, grapeseed extract, amino acids, hyaluronic acid, honey, and aloe vera. And it's a female-founded brand. And I like cloprostinate, radish root, ferment, grapeseed extract, amino acids, hyaluronic acid, honey, and aloe vera. And it is a female-founded brand. Now, as I mentioned, I love, love, love this. I have the skimpiest lashes, and I was using putting eyelashes on, but I don't have time for that every day. I'm almost always in a hurry. So I started using this, in a world of difference. So I highly recommend it. Try it. I know it's expensive, but it works. All right, let's keep going. Next up, Elemis. Elemis is a great brand, another pricey brand. That's why it's so great to get it in these boxes. And this one is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I love this one. I actually got an extra one because I got it so discounted. So typically the value of this is $93. If you look at the MSRP, this is how much it cost. So I got an extra one because it would have been about $15 inside the box if you buy an extra one. So this is the ultralight cream, providing powerful hydration and moisture to dry skin. Marine and plant actives reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles while helping skin look firmer and more rejuvenated. I love a great face cream, and this is one of the best, so I do like to use it. It's for all skin types. The key ingredients are mimosa, padina, pavonica, rose. This is 1 ounce, and it is also female-founded. I found that almost all of the products in the Fab Fit Fun are female-founded brands. So I love a great face cream, and I'm always looking for a face cream. So I bought an extra one so I would have it. All right, next, what do we have here? This is Natura Ecos hand cream. This is $18 is the MSRP. Said it wouldn't be the winter box without an absolute must-have hand cream that protects your skin from harsh elements. This hand cream combats dryness with its nourishing blend of castana oil and murumuru butter. Skin stays moisturized for up to 24 hours, and its natural moisture berries is strengthened. So it has just the castana oil and murumuru butter in it, and this is 2.6 ounces, so it is a full size. So I love a great hand cream in the winter. I don't know about you, but I'm already starting to get so dry, so I've been reaching for my hand cream on a regular basis. Next up, this works better. This is Deep Sleep Overnight Cleanser. It's a brightening cleanser with oat amino acids to buff and smooth whilst you sleep. So this is another full-size item. The MSRP is $20. And it says there are two things we love. It's great skin and great sleep. Not only does this cleanser buff, smooth, and brighten the skin while helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, the Deep Sleep functional fragrance helps calm the mind before bedtime. With potential calling in a good night's sleep, talk about beauty rest. So it has oat amino acids, hyaluronic acid in it. This is a 100 ml size. And as I mentioned, female founded. I think they're all female founded. It's for all skin types. Another Elemis product that I picked, this one is the Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. We all need eye recovering cream sometimes. This is award-winning cream is ultra light while providing powerful hydration and moisture to dry skin. Marine and plant actives reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles while helping the skin look firmer and more rejuvenated. This is an MSRP of $49. If I can show you the size, because it is not the size of that. Yep, here's what it looks like. So looking forward to trying that one. I haven't tried this eye cream before, so I wanted to give it a try. And then I have the 111 Skin Harley St. London Celestial Black Diamond Brightening Essence. So this one is an MSRP of $43. It's a lightweight skincare must-have, is enriched with anti-aging peptides fused with fine diamond particles, aiding in complexion that appears more lifted, firmer, brighter, and more even. It's for all skin types, tranexamic acid, hematite extract, and copper peptides. Can you tell I did go heavy with the beauty products this time, which is generally how I like to get them because they're so much less expensive this way than when I go to Sephora or Ulta and I'm paying so much money. So I actually really prefer to get them this way. I think it's such a better deal. And my last item is a eyeshadow palette. This one is called the Beauty Bakery The Chosen Bun Eyeshadow Palette. $38 is the MSRP. And it says, this beautiful natural eyeshadow palette will help you create the holiday party looks of your dreams, whether you stick with the matte shades, play it up with the sparkle, or use a little of both. The highly pigmented shadow blends seamlessly have long-lasting staying power thanks to the jojoba oil. And these have 9 shades, so let's see what it looks like here if I can get this open. And we will finish. So I thought this was fun, right? I love Fab Fit Fun. I just have had so much fun with this for quite some time, and I enjoy sharing it with you. So these are some neutral shades here. I like the name Aroma, Icing, Fresh, Gourmet. The Gourmet is really pretty. That's the pink shade over here. So lots of sparkles. I don't know that I could wear this color. It might be too yellow for me, but these shades at the top and here look pretty. But this middle row might be tough for me. But the top and bottom look good. Those are nice. And that's everything. What did you think? I thought it was good. All right, I will put all the information for Fab Fit Fun down below in case you'd like to give this subscription a try. I'll put my link so you can get some money towards your first box. And thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I have, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 8. Yeah, 8 new products here that I just shared with you. I cannot wait to give a try. All the beauty products I could possibly need here going into the winter. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.